Hi, I'm Caroline and this is the EasyReach Lotion Applicator. This fantastic little tool can put on cream, lotion, sunscreen and even fake tan without getting messy hands. It is 100% made in Australia since 2005. It is a robust construction, has a stainless steel pin, opens up at an angle or all the way to reach anywhere easily. One of the great features of EasyReach is that when closed, the sponge is completely closed inside the EasyReach, so when you put this in a drawer, in your toiletry bag, or even in your suitcase, you don't get product all through it. A unique feature of the EasyReach is this completely washable, reusable, and replaceable sponge. Comes right off. We also have a natural loofah attachment, which combined with your favorite exfoliator will give you an extra deep clean. Head over to our website to find out more information and other available colours. Check out www.easyreach.com.au.